Question number 10. An express train takes 1 hour less than a passenger train to travel 132 km between Mysore and Bengaluru. If the average speed of the express train is 11 km per hour more than that of the express train, find the average speed of the two trains. Let the speed of passenger train is equal to x kilometer per hour and speed of the express train is equal to x plus 11 kilometer per hour. According to question, (132) divided by x minus 132 divided by x plus 11 is equal to 1. An express train takes 1 hour less than, that will be 132 upon x minus 132 upon x plus 11 is equal to 1. 132 is common. 1 upon x minus 1 upon x plus 11 is equal to 1. 132 common, x plus 11 cross multiplying left side and right side upon x into x plus 11 is equal to 1. 132 x is cancelled. 11 upon x square plus 11x is equal to 1. This implies 132 into 11 is equal to x square plus 11x. 132 into 11 is equal to 11 2s are 22, 11 3s are 33, 35, 3, 11 1s are 11 plus 3, 14. And x square plus 11x, shifting right side minus 1 4 5 2 is equal to 0. And product of first and last splitting by middle term, product of first and last is equal to 1452 x square minus 1452 x square, and prime factorization of 1452 is 2 2 7s are 14, 2 2s are 4, 2 6 are 12, 2 2 3s are 6, 2 6 are 12, 2 3s are 6, 3 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 1s are 3, 11 11s are 11 1, 11 3s are 33, 11 2s are 22, 22 2s are 44. We are splitting 11x, that is equal to x raised to power 2 plus 44x minus 33x minus 1452 is equal to 0. We are splitting 11x equal to 44x minus 33x that is 11x, and product of 44x and minus 33x, that will be minus 1452x square. X is taking common, x plus 44 in bracket, x plus 44 in bracket and minus 33 is common, equal to 0. This implies x minus 33 and x plus 44 equal to 0, and x is equal to 33 positive. X is equal to minus 44. This is neglected. X is not equal to, x is equal to minus 44. So speed of passenger train. Speed of passenger train is equal to 33 kilometer per hour, and speed of express train is equal to 33 plus 11, that is 44 kilometer per hour. Answer. Let the speed of passenger train be x kilometer and speed of express train be x plus 11 kilometer per hour. An express train takes 1 hour less than a passenger train, and distance is equal to 132. Distance upon speed, that is time is equal to distance upon speed. 132 upon x minus 1 is equal to 132 upon x plus 11. Shifting 132 upon x plus 11 in left side, that will be negative, and this negative minus 1 takes 1 hour less, means 1 hour less means this will be positive in right side is equal to 1. So taking 132 in common, numerator taking 132 is common, but 1 upon x minus 1 upon x plus 11 in bracket. X plus 11 multiplying 1 and x multiplying 1 divided by x into x minus 1 is equal to 1. X is cancelled, and 132 multiplied by 11 is equal to x square plus 11x. X square plus 11x, shifting this right side, that will be negative 1452 equal to 0, and it's a quadratic equation. So splitting by middle term, first and last, product of first and last is equal to minus 1452x square, and we are splitting 11x. Prime factorization of 1452 is this, and that will be 11 3s are 33 and 11 2s are 22, 2s are 44. 44 minus 33, that will be 11x. So we are taking common x in this equation, and same process, x plus 44 in bracket, but 33 minus 33 is common. One time x minus 33, one time x plus 44 equal to 0. X is equal to positive 33, that is speed of passenger train. X kilometer per hour means 33 kilometer per hour, and speed of express train 33 plus 11 is equal to 44 kilometer per hour. Answer. Question number 11. Sum of the areas of two squares is 468 meter square. If the difference of their perimeters is 24 meter, find the sides of the two squares. Let x and y be the sides of two squares. According to question, sum of the areas of two square is equal to x square plus y square is equal to 468. According to question, sum of areas of two square is equal to 468. Its equation first. And if the difference of their perimeter is 24, when x is greater than y, difference of perimeter 4x minus 4y is equal to 24. 4 is taking common, x minus y is equal to 24. This implies x minus y is equal to 24 divided by 4, that is equal to 6. But x is equal to 6 plus y. Equation second. Y is shifting right side, that will be positive y, and putting the value of x in equation first, we get 6 plus y raised to power 2 plus y raised to power 2 is equal to 468. As we know that a plus b raised to power 2, a plus b raised to power 2 is equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab. 6 raised to power 2 plus y raised to power 2 plus 2 into 6 into y plus y square is equal to 468. 6 6 are 36 plus y square plus 6 2 are 12y plus y square is equal to 468. This implies y square plus y square is equal to 2y square and plus 12y plus 36, and shifting this in left side, that will be minus 468 is equal to 0, and 2y square plus 12y minus 468 minus 36, that is equal to 432 minus 432 is equal to 0. We are taking 2 common in this quadratic equation. 2 is taking common, and in bracket y square plus 6y minus 216 is equal to 0. 2 is not equal to 0. This quadratic equation is equal to 0. Y raised to power 2 plus 6y minus 216 is equal to 0. And we are factorizing. Product of first and last is 216y square, and that is minus. Prime factorization of 216 is equal to 2, 2 1 jar 2, 8 2 jar 16, 2, 2 5 jar 10, 2 4 jar 8, 2 27, and 3 9, 3 3, 3 1. Y square plus 6y minus 216 equal to 0. 3 3s are 9, 9 2s are 18, 2 3s are 6, 6 2s are 12. So y raised to power 2 plus 18y minus 12y minus 216 is equal to 0. We are splitting 6y equal to 18y minus 12y. 18y minus 12y, that is equal to 16y, and the product of 18y and minus 12y is equal to 216 minus 216y square. But we are taking common y plus 18 in bracket, y plus 18 in bracket minus 12 is common, is equal to 0. Y minus 12, y plus 18 is equal to 0, y is equal to positive 12, and y is equal to minus 18 neglected. But y is equal to 12, put in y is equal to equation number second. Put y in second, we get x is equal to 6 plus 12. This implies x is equal to 18. So sides of square is equal to 18, 12. Answer. Let x and y be sides of two squares, and according to question, the sum of the areas of two squares is equal to 468. Area of square equal to side square, x square and sum plus y square equal to 468. That is equation first. And x is greater than y, so perimeter of squares is difference if the difference of their perimeters is 24. Perimeter of square is 4 into side, 4x minus 4y equal to 24. When x is greater than y, 4x minus 4y is equal to 24. Taking common 4 and x minus y in bracket is equal to 24. This implies x minus y equal to 24 divided by 4. 6 4s are 24, and we get x is equal to, shifting by right side, x equal to 6 plus y. That will be equation second, and putting the value of x in equation number first, x square, that is 6 plus y raised to power 2 plus y square is equal to 468. As we know that a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab, and applying the formula 6 plus y whole square equal to 6 square plus y square plus 2 into 6 into y plus y square, as it is equal to 468. 6 6 are 36 plus y square plus 6 2s are 12y plus y square is equal to 468. Y square plus y square, that is 2y square plus 12y plus 36, and shifting 468 in left side and is equal to 0. 468 minus 468 plus 36 subtracting, that is equal to 432, but 468 is negative. If this is negative, then minus 432 will be negative, and 2 is taking common in this quadratic equation. Y square plus 6y minus 216 equal to 0. Y square plus 6y minus 216 equal to 0. We are splitting by middle term. Product of first and last equal to minus 216 y square, and splitting 6y, prime factorization of 216 equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 3. 3 3s are 9, 2s are 18, and 3 2s are 6, 2s are 12. We are splitting 6y, that is equal to 18y minus 12y. 18y minus 12y, that is equal to 6y, and the product of 18y minus 12y is equal to minus 216y square. We are taking common y, and in bracket y plus 18 minus 12 is taking common y plus 18 in bracket, that will be 0. One time y minus 12 and one time y plus 18 equal to 0, that will be y is equal to 12, and putting the value y is equal to 12 in equation number second, we get the value of x, that is 12 plus 6, 18. X is equal to 18 and y is equal to 12. Sides of squares is equal to 18, 12. Answer. Thank you so much.